True teachers are those who help us think for ourselves. Teachers should be the best minds in the country. These are some of the inspirational quotes from a legendary teacher and India's second president, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, whose birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day every year. Let's realize the importance of teachers from this story. An arm wrestling contest was going on in a school. One of the students wasn't ready for the whole event and sat alone in his room, while everyone else was preparing for the contest. His teacher approached him and asked, "What happened? Why don't you join your friends?" The student replied, "I never tried this before," and all the opponents seemed to be very confident. The teacher cheered up by saying, "Don't worry, you are strong enough. Just give it a try." The student replied, "If it was quiz or any other mind game, I would have tried. At least we don't physically fight there." The teacher then said, "All right, if you think your strength is nothing in front of your intellectual, then let me test you." And the teacher left the room. After 10 minutes, the teacher came back and took the student to a room where there was a pen, a book, a wooden box locked with a number lock, a basket containing apples, and a world map stuck on a wall. The teacher said, "You have 5 minutes and a task to do." There is a calculus question written in the book. Solve that and multiply the answer to Hardy Ramanujan's number. Sum up the digits, multiply the answer to the number of apples present in the basket, and add the result to the total number of countries present on the world map. The final answer would be the code of the lock, and I want you to get me what is inside the box. And your time starts now. Saying this, the teacher set the timer. The boy was bewildered and just couldn't believe what he just heard, but wanted to prove his teacher about whatever little cognitive he had. With a confused mindset, he wrote all the possible formulas he could remember on the side, counted the number of apples, wrote a possible figure for the number of countries, and then just couldn't proceed. And right then, there was a loud voice saying, "1 minute left." The boy grew anxious. He so badly wanted to prove himself right. He cleared up his mind, and it suddenly struck him that his task was just to get what was inside the box, irrespective of whatever method he chooses to get. He walked towards the box and with all his might broke the box and found a ball inside it and gave it to the teacher just before 10 seconds. The teacher smiled and said, "I'm glad that you yourself proved your strength. Now you know how strong you are. Now cheer up and participate." The student was amazed in discovering his new potential. A real teacher is one who brings out the real potential from us. They not just teach, they inspire. Thank you, friends, and happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates.